In part C, we are told that the students calculate the value of g to be significantly lower than the accepted value of 9.8 meters per second squared. We need to state a physical reason other than frictional air resistance that could lead to this significant difference in the experimentally determined value of g. And well, there are several reasons we could note here. For example, that we don't know whether this experiment was carried out on Earth. Maybe it was carried out on another planet. It could also have been carried out in a very high elevation place, so somewhere very high, where the gravitational field strength is a little bit weaker. Therefore, obviously, we will measure something less than 9.8. So, for example, we can say that the experiment was carried out at a high elevation. And then in part 2, we need to briefly explain how the physical reason you identified in part C would lead to a decrease in the experimentally determined value. For example, so we identified that it was carried out at a high elevation. So we could say something like at a high elevation, g is smaller. Therefore, our acceleration of the cart will also be smaller.